A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Bosco Camp 2024 took place from 16 to 18 October at the Bhagwanshi Congress Center in Cuenca with 58 participants from 14 communities of the Salesians of Don Bosco and 11 participants from 3 communities of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. The event allowed participants to explore and acquire tools and skills to face the challenges of evangelization in the digital age through communication workshops focused on the use of mobile devices for audio-visual production and sound and graphic production with the use of AI. Through practical sessions in different Bosco labs, young communicators learned to create multimedia content, videos for social networks and effective strategies to capture the attention of young audiences, and above all they understood the importance of being authentic and creative in the processing of content. The work organized in groups to develop projects and share experiences and visions was also fundamental. The activities were carried out by a team of teachers and students from the communication faculty of the Salesian Polytechnic University. The Oikos Somos Casa project is a playful Salesian information initiative resulting from the desire to make known the fundamental concepts, differences, and common points of the main religions that live together in the city of Vitoria-Gasteiz in the autonomous community of the Basque Country. Financially supported by the Pluralism and Coexistence Foundation of the Spanish government, through a call that promotes dialogue and interreligious coexistence, it represents an educational intervention for young people, created by young people themselves. Oikos Somos Casa comes from the need detected among the young people of the Aurrera project of the Salesians Bosco Social Foundation, who felt the need to know the different religious groups in the neighborhood. A project was thus launched that connected the entire Salesian presence in the Basque city, the San Francisco Xavier Parish, the Sanso Mendy Youth Center, and precisely the Aurrera project. The Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival, DBGYFF, the world-class Salesian Youth Film Festival, in addition to encouraging the creativity and critical thinking of young filmmakers, provided a collaborative learning environment on issues essential for communities and for the whole world, and reaffirmed the Salesian commitment to integral education. In the Saint John Bosco Salesian province of Belo Horizonte, Brazil, BBH, there were several works that actively participated in the event. The Alberto Monteiro de Carvalho Institute, located in the community of Yacarezinc near Rio de Janeiro, was one of the over 320 official venues of DBGYFF, having hosted its own screening of the festival's work last Friday, 18 October. Thanks to this event and to its theme, I Have a Dream, Youth and Climate Change, Making Mother Earth Cleaner and Greener, primary school students were able to enjoy an immersion in cinema that stimulated important reflections and encouraged creative activities. During the day, students and educators attended a special selection of films where each short film was carefully chosen to adapt to the age group of students and explore topics such as sustainability, environmental awareness, and the importance of dreaming of a future. From 4th to 6 October, students from Don Bosco Technical College DBTC undertook a significant retreat, combining reflection, service, and friendship. The retreat began with a visit to the Don Bosco Technical Institute and the Church of Mary Help of Christians in Vatarias, followed by a warm welcome by Father Rosmond Miguel Angelo Valenciano at the Salesian parish of Mambucal. Upon arrival at the Don Bosco Retreat House, the students prepared for 2 days of reflection and spiritual growth. On the second day, they immersed themselves in the daily life of the families of Purak Katugasandos, were welcomed by the community. They learned about the work carried out by families in the area for their livelihood, namely the cultivation and sale of ornamental flowers. The experience offered students a deeper understanding of the value of hard work and real life. The retreat ended with a time for reflection, a mass celebrated by Father Antonio Velarde SDB, and a special group activity to strengthen friendships. The first meeting of local heads of social communication of the Salesian presences in the St. Anthony province of Portugal POR took place on 10th October. A moment of preparation for the new educative and pastoral year and strengthening networking, led by the Provincial Delegate for Social Communication, Father Alvaro Lago, and the coordinator of the communication team. From the Fundação Salesianos, Miguel Mendes, the meeting was held as a video conference involving local people and members of the Provincial Social Communication team. The purpose of the meeting is to get to know each other and understand the mission, said Father Lago, and to remember that both from an internal point of view in bringing people together, but also from an external point of view, a process of sharing life needs to take place. Miguel Mendes then presented the functions and responsibilities of local heads of communication and recalled some fundamental documents, tools and internal flows of the Fundação Salesianos, which regulate this vital area of the educative and pastoral communities. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.